Changing seasons require a change in your skincare routine too. And if you too are doing these skincare mistakes, then this video is for you. Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi, and in today's video, we shall be talking about some do's and don'ts of skincare. Some simple changes in your cleansing habit is literally what you need. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the basic thumb rule is to wash your face with clean hands. Make sure your hands are not dirty or wash them first and only then start washing your face. Okay, so cleansing habit number 1, always cleanse your face twice a day, that is in the morning and evening, as this would help you to get rid of dirt, impurities, as well as oil that is deposited on your skin. Do not overwash your face because 2 times is more than enough. Number 2, always use cleansers on damp skin and never on your dry skins. Always remember that. Point number 3, which I think is very important, and many of you might not be knowing this as well, that you should not use hot water to cleanse your face. Yes, you heard it right, because hot water would strip away the natural moisture from your face, which you would not want to. So do not use hot water to cleanse your face. Fourth point is very important, is to choose cleansers according to your skin type and concerns. There are many cleansers available in the market, but you need to choose the one that's right for you. As I always say, look out for clean ingredient lists and clean beauty brands because they will do more good to your skin. And talking of one brand that I would highly recommend is CeraVe, not just because it's dermatologist recommended, but also because of its clean ingredient list. Here's the beautiful PR package that came in, which contains their hydrating cleanser right on the top. Then we have the CeraVe foaming cleanser, and at the bottom we also got some cotton pads and headband as well. The CeraVe foaming cleanser is ideal for normal to oily skin type as it is formulated with 3 essential ceramides, and not just that, the formula also contains hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, 2 of my favorite ingredients. Now it is formulated in such a way that it protects your skin's natural barrier as well as locks in the moisture and calms your skin down. Foaming cleanser has a clear gel-like consistency which just foams up without much rubbing required, which is the best part. Also, it gently refreshes and works its magic on your skin without being harsh at all. It is very, very gentle and calming on the skin, and that is the reason why I would highly recommend, because this is perfect for even the sensitive skin types out there. It is non-comedogenic and would not clog your pores. It is gentle, non-drying, non-stripping, plus it is also fragrance-free, so no irritants like fragrance are involved in the formula. So that is the reason why I really like it. So that was the foaming cleanser, while the CeraVe hydrating cleanser is perfect for dry skin types. I personally have an extreme dry skin type, and this cleanser works so well on my skin. My skin loves this cleanser because it is super gentle on my skin and non-stripping, and that is the reason why I really like it. The hydrating cleanser too is power packed with 3 essential ceramides as well as hyaluronic acid that would help to repair the natural skin barrier and lock in moisture as well. So this does not feel overstripping at all. It is super gentle on the skin. Unlike the foaming cleanser, the hydrating cleanser has a creamy, cloudy consistency which you can simply massage onto your skin and then just wash it off. Hydrating cleanser is perfect for dry skin type as it does not disrupt the natural moisture barrier of the skin, ensuring that it gives and not just takes. Plus, it contains 3 essential ceramides which make sure that you get an excellent clean without overstripping your skin. Now, both the cleansers from CeraVe are non-comedogenic. They would not clog your pores. They have a clean ingredient list, and that's not it. They're also fragrance-free, which is like my topmost criteria that I look for in skincare. I personally loved the performance of these cleansers, and I'm sure you would love it too. You should definitely give them a try. Now, another common mistake that most of us must be doing unknowingly, I know even I used to do the same, that I used to rub my face very harshly while I used to cleanse my face, but please do not do that. Avoid vigorous scrubbing or rubbing. Just use circular, gentle motions to cleanse your face. That is literally enough. Your cleanser would do its magic. You need not mechanically do all of that hard work. Your skin does not need that. And then just wash off and pat dry your skin with a towel. That's it. Like a simple change in your cleansing habit is literally what you need to see an entire change in your skincare regime and how your skin actually looks. Also, if you wear makeup, make sure to double cleanse and remove your makeup before you go to sleep, and never wear your makeup to bed. Remove your makeup with a good cleanser and also do double cleansing, as that is the best practice for your skin. And then you can simply complete your regime. Post using the CeraVe cleansers, use a moisturizing lotion and then SPF to protect against the UV rays. And that's how you too can cleanse like a derm. Some small changes here and there in your skincare routine is literally what you need to achieve the skin you always dreamt of. So make the changes right away. So what's the wait? Here is the time to switch to the everyday CeraVe cleansers that give and not just take. I would have their links mentioned in the description box below. You can check that out. And with that being said, I wrap up for today's video. We shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Namaste and keep trending.